Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word. Our word of the day is compelling. What does compelling mean? Well, it's an adjective, and it means very interesting or convincing. Something compelling grabs your attention and makes you want to know more, or it's so convincing that you can't help but believe it. It's a powerful word, and we're going to delve into its nuances today. Now, let's consider some synonyms for compelling. Think of words that convey a similar sense of being captivating or convincing. One great synonym is irresistible. For example, the aroma of freshly baked bread was irresistible, drawing me into the bakery. Another synonym is engrossing. We could say, the novel was so engrossing that I read it in one sitting. A third synonym could be captivating. Think of it this way. The dancer's performance was captivating, holding the audience spellbound. And finally, how about persuasive? For instance, her arguments were incredibly persuasive, convincing the jury of his innocence. As you can see, each of these synonyms, irresistible, engrossing, captivating, and persuasive, shares that core idea of grabbing attention or being convincing, but with slightly different shades of meaning. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms of compelling. These are words that have the opposite meaning, words that suggest something is uninteresting, unconvincing, or boring. A good antonym is dull. An example sentence would be, the lecture was incredibly dull, and I struggled to stay awake. Another antonym is uninspiring. His speech was uninspiring and failed to motivate the team. How about repulsive? For instance, the film's violence was repulsive to many viewers. We can also consider unconvincing as an antonym. You might say, his alibi was unconvincing, raising suspicions among the detectives. Finally, let's think of boring. We can say, the meeting was so boring that I started counting the ceiling tiles. So, we have dull, uninspiring, repulsive, unconvincing, and boring as antonyms, highlighting the contrasting meanings. Now, let's see how we can use compelling in everyday life. Imagine you're trying to decide what movie to watch. You could say, that trailer was really compelling, I think we should watch that one. Or perhaps you're listening to a speech. You might comment, that was a compelling argument for why we should invest in renewable energy. Maybe you're reading a book and you want to recommend it to a friend. You could say, this book is so compelling, you won't be able to put it down. In common expressions, you might hear someone say, he presented a compelling case, meaning he gave a very convincing argument. Or you might read a headline that says, compelling new evidence emerges in the investigation. Let's look at some more example sentences and phrases. The documentary offered a compelling narrative of the refugee crisis. She wrote a compelling article about the importance of mental health. The evidence against him was overwhelming and compelling. The lawyer made a compelling plea for leniency. The politician delivered a compelling speech that resonated with voters. It's compelling viewing. You won't want to miss it. His reason for leaving the company was not very compelling. The advertisement used compelling imagery to sell the product. The witness provided a compelling testimony that helped solve the case. She felt a compelling need to help those less fortunate. To recap, compelling means very interesting or convincing. We explored synonyms like irresistible, engrossing, captivating, and persuasive. We also looked at antonyms like dull, uninspiring, repulsive, unconvincing, and boring. We discussed how to use compelling in everyday conversations and examined example sentences. I hope you found this exploration of the word compelling to be, well, compelling. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and I truly appreciate it. Now for your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word compelling and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking. Goodbye.